Hey guys, and welcome back to Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to log out of Perplexity AI using the mobile application. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. It's quite easy. In case you don't know how to, worry not. We have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to log out. Well, as you can see, this is the interface. At the top left, you can see your account button right here, right next to Perplexity. Click on it right now. And then from here, you will be redirected to this page. Do note that from here, you can change your username, email address, you can look at the notifications and everything. You can also clear the history, but right now all we want to do is log out. And just below clear history, you can see a button like this that says log out. Simply click on it and just give your confirmation. And guys, that is it. Once you click on it, you will simply be logged out of your Perplexity AI account. That's it guys, that's how you log out of Perplexity AI in your mobile application. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.